name's George Hatch, Senior Technical Specialist with Autodesk. We're here in Buda, Texas at Syntex Materials to talk about how the 3DR Solo combined with the 3DR site scan application is going to help you capture existing conditions on this site, and then show you how simple and easy it is to take that information from the site scan app into Autodesk technology like Civil 3D and InfraWorks 360 to calculate volumes and analyze your site.
The automated flight controls in the site scan application really make it easy for anyone to learn how to fly the 3DR Solo.
The real value in the field is that it's super easy to set up, fast deployment, and really effective data capture of conditions that exist on your site. Flying the Solo really can't be any easier. Simply using the site scan app, access one of 3 different modes, either scan, survey, or inspect.